In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for Seniors 2026 Full Guide. Technology can feel like it's racing ahead, but using artificial intelligence doesn't have to be stressful. In 2026, ChatGPT is one of the friendliest, most patient tools you can use. Think of it as a personal assistant, a companion, a researcher, and a gentle tech tutor all in one. I'll walk you through a simple, practical way to make everyday tasks easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Let's start by making the screen comfortable to read. On a phone or tablet, open your device settings and increase the font size so text is larger and easier on the eyes. You can also turn on higher contrast or zoom if that helps. When you open ChatGPT for the first time, set the tone with a clear instruction. Try something like act as a friendly, patient companion. Please keep all your answers in large, clear paragraphs and avoid complex computer jargon. This teaches ChatGPT how you want it to speak with you. If typing feels tiring, switch to voice mode. Tap the small microphone or headphone icon and simply talk to ChatGPT as if you're on a phone call. Speak naturally. You don't need special commands. You can say, tell me a short story about history, or what are some gentle stretches I can do from a kitchen chair this morning? If you miss something, ask it to repeat or slow down. You can pause to think, then continue where you left off. When gadgets get confusing, ask ChatGPT to walk you through them step by step. Instead of digging through a long manual, you might say, I just got a new smart TV and I don't know how to connect it to my home Wi Fi. Walk me through the process, assuming I'm a complete beginner. Mention the brand or the buttons you see and ask it to wait for your confirmation before moving to the next step. Medical terms can be overwhelming. While ChatGPT isn't a doctor, it's excellent at translating jargon into everyday language. You could ask, my doctor mentioned joint mobility and cardiovascular endurance. What do those mean in plain English, and what are three simple questions I should ask at my next appointment? Keep your privacy in mind and avoid sharing personal identifiers. Use the explanations to feel prepared for conversations with your healthcare provider. Finally, keep your mind active with hobbies and brain exercises. Ask ChatGPT to be a trivia host and give you a 5 question quiz on world history from the 1960s and 1970s, one question at a time with the backstory after your guess. You can do the same with gardening ideas, simple recipes, or local history. By using ChatGPT as a patient, personal guide, technology becomes a tool that serves you, keeping you connected, informed, and confidently independent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.